Oh, I didn't see you there. Hey. I have always wanted to do that, but obviously I did see you there because I started the clip. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. I love doing that. Okay, so since I started this video off really weird, please stick around. I promise, I don't promise anything, never mind. So anyways, I've been asked a lot as a single mother, how can I afford to fix up my house? How can I afford my DIYs and my home improvements? Well, it's simple, I can't. Bear with me, please. Please, I do have some great tips coming along. Nothing better than coffee, no matter the time of day. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys all the tea, all the skinny, all the secrets. So stick around. When it comes to home improvement and fixing up my house, I play what I call the long patient game. And I call it the long patient game is because I don't rush to the store to go buy something to fix up my house. I wait until there's a good deal. I wait until there's a great sale. I wait until somebody posts it on Marketplace or Craigslist or you name it. The great thing about being able to DIY and fix things yourself is that sometimes you don't find exactly what you're looking for, but you find something close. Color can always be changed. You can always add on or take away, well, most of the time, to something to make it exactly what you want or close enough. It's the holiday season. My biggest tip for being able to afford decorations and different things to fix up your house is also the long game. What I do, I buy this year for next year. And what I mean by that is right after Christmas, Target, Dollar Tree, Walmart, they have crazy, and I mean crazy sales. Half off, 75% off, 90% off. I know other stores does too, but those are the stores that I frequent. A great example, last year I went to Dollar Tree because they were having this sale for like 50% off their items. And when I got to the store and I started ringing things up, they were ringing up for a penny. A penny. I actually just took down all my Christmas decorations, so let me show you some. Last year, I got these from Dollar Tree for a penny each. I got some of these. Ooh, there's a lot. So I got some of these, I got a bunch of these, I got some little cute stockings. At Walmart, I got some of these garlands. They were, I believe, I wanna say these were like 25 cents for each part. And I got some leftover Christmas trees for $2, guys. I think they're 6-foot Christmas trees for $2. Let me show you. Just kidding, it's not that heavy. So I got 2 of these non-lit Christmas trees for $2 last year. I got these at Target for 10 cents a piece last year. That being said, if you play the long game, you can get decorations for your house for super cheap. I had this giant, I wanna say, was it 10 foot? It was like 10-foot tree and it was huge. It was just too big. I'll post a picture if I can find it. I sold it on Marketplace for $100-something, I believe. And I got a brand new tree that's shorter, and I wanna say I spent like $50 for it. It was horrible because the tall tree, I could not even get a tree topper on there. It was so tall, it touched my ceiling. I'd say I made a good choice, and I got $50 back to put in my pocket. That's not the only thing that I've sold in order to be able to fix up my house. Thankfully, with my fireplace area, the damage that happened here, I was able to replace the flooring in my room as part of the whole deal. After I replaced the flooring in my room, I realized I hate carpet. Me and my son are always sick because carpet is just yucky. It holds all these germs and all these dust. And I decided, you know what? Let me go ahead and take the carpets away because I do have a 4-bedroom house. So I was like, let me just go ahead and take the carpet away from the other bedrooms. So one of the rooms is my guest room. And I realized like, I don't use that room. I don't get no friends, I don't get no guests. Okay, I'm just kidding. But during the time that I've lived here, that room did not get a lot of traffic at all. So I went ahead, I took pictures and I said, I have 3 rooms worth of carpet. Whoever wants to get it, come get it, $100. I got so many inquiries, it was insane. I told my best friend like, I can't go ahead and answer to all these. So she said, raise the price. I raised the price. That same day somebody came out, got the carpet, the padding, $150, and pew, deal done. So now I sold the carpet. I need to find flooring to replace it. So I was browsing Craigslist, I was browsing Marketplace, and I saw so many great deals. This lady took out all the laminate flooring from her house, and it was a giant stack, and I mean like enough to probably do my whole house plus more. And she was selling it, I think, maybe 80, I don't remember exactly how much she was selling it for. Facebook love to do this thing where they suggest other similar ads when you click on something, and there were so many people selling hardwood floors, gently used floors, brand new floors for amazing, amazing deals. If you check your local Home Depot, your local flooring stores, sometimes they have crazy insane deals, especially during the holidays. Last year for Black Friday, I remember Home Depot had laminate flooring for 11 cents a square foot. 11 cents. If you're not very, very extremely picky, you can literally renovate your house for very, very cheap. I was able to afford to get flooring for my guest bedroom and my son's bedroom, spending less than I made selling the carpet. Another great example I have for you guys, I wanted to add some pizzazz to my kitchen, and I thought, I need some backsplash. I was taking Subway tile because it's timeless, and I went on my Marketplace, I'm browsing. Actually, now that I think about it, I don't think I went searching for this. I think that it was a suggestion on Facebook, and I clicked on it, and this guy had a whole warehouse full of stuff, and he's like, I'm trying to get rid of it, $5 a box. And he had like different types of tile, and I said, can you send me a closer look, a picture? He sent me pictures, and I saw some things, and I was like, you know what, I can go check it out. So I asked him, and he said it was $5 a box, and I was like, not bad. I did the math, and I would need about three to four boxes to do my kitchen. I had time, I want to say maybe a week later. So I went to check it out, and when I got there, I guess it was to the point where he was a little more desperate, because I got there without knowing that he talked to me before. He said he's selling tile for $2 a box. I was like, wait, what? He said, yeah, $2 a box. I need to be out of here by Thursday. Your girl was like, PI! PI is a Creole word that basically means clearance, sale, discount, free, something like that. Anyways, so I went digging, and I had to do a lot of digging. It was a lot of digging, but it was worth it, y'all. So I was able to find tile for my kitchen. I got some for my guest bathroom whenever I end up doing that, and I got just extra because why not? And he was like $20, and I was like, take it before you change your mind. I got the tile, and then when I got home, I said, you know what? I don't need all these tiles. So I took a picture of 2 of the boxes, and I was like, hey, Marketplace, I have these boxes for sale. This is what it looks like. This is the color, and this is the square footage. And somebody was like, let me get it. And I was like, $50, and they were like, okay. So I was able to pay for the trip that I made and for the tile that I have. So basically, doing my kitchen backsplash paid for itself. I know it's not going to be the exact same in every area that you live in, but I've seen people list getting diapers, getting different items, electronics for like super, super cheap. I even saw someone get a KitchenAid for like $20 because of some kind of glitch that was at Target. Just play the patient game. Around last year, I realized I have too much stuff. Before moving into this house, I lived in apartments, so I had apartment style furniture, and some of them were bigger furniture. I had a giant table, and it was a beautiful cherry table. I've had that table, I want to say, for around 5 years, but in this house, it was too big. I don't need sitting for 6 to 8. I need sitting for me, my son, and the occasional guest. So I decided, let me list that table for sale. And so I sold my table, and I got something smaller, something that fits my space. I think you guys saw my little dining nook. I'll insert a picture if you didn't. I was able to get something smaller. I got the chairs, the table for the same price, I think around the same price of what I sold my other set for. I realized I had a dresser, a chest, 2 nightstands, and a giant walk-in closet. Not giant, it's not giant, y'all. And a walk-in closet. And I realized, okay, you know what? I don't need a chest, 2 nightstands, and a dresser. So I posted my chest in one of the nightstands, and somebody was like, I'll take it. And I was like, okay, cool. So I downsized. My bedroom has a lot more space, and I got rid of things that I wasn't using. I've seen people list like tubs on sale for like $10, $15. This guy had some tubs listed that had a few dings, a few scratches there. Brand new tubs for $15 a tub. $15 for a brand new tub. And like I said, it might not be exactly your taste, it might not be what you would be going for, but sometimes, especially if you're like me, when you need something done but you can't afford it, go for the deals. Rearrange your design to the deal that you receive. People are always selling paint in my area, and I've been searching for a dark green paint, right? I've been searching for that to paint my bedroom wall, because I'm going to make an accent wall on the wall that was damaged previously. And I've been just searching for a dark, I want like a emerald green, maybe like that kind of thing. And so I've been patiently stalking the paint that people are selling, because people sell like a gallon of paint for $5, sometimes $2. Sometimes it's gently used and they sell it for like, you know, mad cheap. And I don't need that much, it's just for one wall. So I'm searching, waiting, playing the game. Another great example is that people are always giving away wood that's left over from projects. And that's something I always stock for. People giving away or selling wood for very cheap. Because as a DIY person, I love working with wood. That's what I feel I'm more comfortable with doing. When I see a PI for wood, your girl is there, okay? I am the first one there. You see, when I go to Home Depot, I always check out the clearance rack. 70% off some wood because it has a little ding. Ka-ching! It's not about the money. It is about the money. Last year, my neighbor was moving and he had like these old cabinets in his garage, and some of them had like some water damage on the sides of it. And I was like, so what you gonna do with that? He's like, I'm gonna throw it away. I'm like, can I snatch one or two? So I did get 2 of those cabinets from him, and one of them is what I'm going to be using to do my built-in here in my living room, and it cost me nothing. Whenever I think that I want something new, the first thing I do is look around my house like, okay, if I'm going to get this thing, what can I get rid of? What can I sell to make space and money for the thing that I want? Like, I literally go around my house and I sell whatever I don't use. Like I said, I live in an apartment, so I do have a lot of things that I just don't use anymore. That is not something that I would get now. My tastes have changed. So if I don't want it, if I don't use it, it goes. I'm trying to minimalize. If I can make it to replace it and sell it for more than it'll cost me to make it, it goes. Whatever I don't use, I sell. And I am able to fix up my house going about it this way. If you have more questions about affording to be able to fix up your house, let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. You guys, okay? I purposely decided to make this video in my living room. I'm going to have 2 videos for my living room, how I got to this point, and then the final reveal, which is where I show you guys my couch, my whole setup, everything. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I am so close to 1K. I can taste it. Cinnamony. I have nothing to say. I'm a weirdo. But you love me, right? And as always, may your hair game be as strong as the coffee game. It's almost done, y'all. I love you, latte. Bye, boos. Okay, let's get to... I have bad knees. I can't do this anymore. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button so I don't have to keep dancing. It hurts. Okay, I'm old. Like, old and broken. Just hit the subscribe button for old girl. I love you. A latte. You see that heart? I put that there every time. Just for you. So, help your girl out. Cool?